Welcome back for another stateroom tour aboard Disney Cruise Line's newest ship, the Disney Treasure. Hi, I'm Erin with the Vacationeer, and today we're stepping into pure luxury with an exclusive tour of the Concierge one-bedroom suite. Whether you're here for the Lion King-inspired elegance or the incredible perks of being a concierge guest, this stateroom is the ultimate home at sea. So let's take a look. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by an atmosphere of pure Disney sophistication. The suite interior is inspired by the Disney's Lion King, so every detail sets the stage for a magical stay. At 1,031 square feet, this suite offers room for everyone to spread out. The living area is perfect for everyone to gather together or just relax after a day of adventuring. And the oversized sofa converts into a comfy sleeper. Plus, for families of 5, there's a pull-down bed that transforms the whole space into a cozy nighttime retreat. As you head into the master bedroom, the king-size bed is outfitted with 1,000 thread-count linens and a premium Eurotop mattress for that ultimate night's sleep. Plus, concierge guests get a choice of pillows, including hypoallergenic and memory foam options. The master bathroom is extra dreamy. You've got a double vanity, a rain-style shower, and even a soaking tub. And having a second full bathroom is a game changer, especially for families. No more fighting over the mirror. Storage is not a problem. The walk-in closet has room for all of your outfits, souvenirs, and more. It's functional and stylish, just like everything else on the Disney Treasure. The extended balcony gives you front row seats on the ocean and offers plenty of room to lounge, sip coffee in the morning, or enjoy cocktails at sunset. It's the perfect spot to unwind. As concierge guest, you get even more perks. The Concierge Lounge is your private retreat on board, offering complimentary snacks, drinks, and even assistance for the amazing concierge team. And don't miss the concierge exclusive Sun Deck. It's a VIP oasis with whirlpools, wading pools, and plenty of comfy seating. The Concierge one-bedroom suite aboard the Disney Treasure truly has it all. Luxury, comfort, and those magical Disney touches that make every moment unforgettable. We have even more Disney Treasure to share with you, so make sure you check out our room tours playlist. And if you're ready to learn more about receiving onboard credit for your Disney cruise, reach out to the Vacationeer to start planning. Connect with us at vacationeer.com/YouTube. Thanks. We'll see you again real soon.